Hi everyone, I am Irfan Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel The Forex Nexus. In this video, I will explain with the help of BBMA that how you can make analysis with the help of BBMA. So I will explain step by step. Uh, BBMA with the help of BBMA, you can catch the setups after the CSM or CST, or you can catch the full setup on BBMA as well, and you can catch also the reversals from where the market is getting reversals, so you can easily identify it. But the most secure strategy technique in this strategy is to catch re-entries after the momentum and re-entries after the CST candlestick direction. If you don't know about the word CST or CSM or the patterns of BBMA, so please must watch the BBMA full course playlist, so you will get idea about the CSM or CST. And now let's move to the find out re-entry for ourselves on gold. So on weekly time frame we have ECST which break the EMA 510 low. Let's check out monthly. On monthly the market you can see here we have extreme plus MLV. Now the market is looking for the 510 low again. On weekly we need extreme here, on daily we need extreme plus MLV, but the scenario is a little bit change here now. So before going to the BBMA analysis, you just need to find out, you just need to focus on 2-3 things. Number first, you need to find out the extreme, sorry, the momentum. If we have momentum here, it means that we can wait for the re-entry. So before making any decision, you need to focus on three things. Number first is CSM. Okay, that you have CSM on any time frame. If you choose H4, H1, or maybe a daily, weekly, monthly, that's depending on your choice, the style of your trading. That you can swing, you can make intraday, or even you can scalp with BBMA. Now the first part is to find out CSM. Then you need to focus on EMA 50, position of EMA 50, that where is EMA 50. Okay, here is EMA 50, the price is below the EMA 50 on daily time frame. On H4 time frame also the price is below the EMA 50. Okay, and on H1 time frame we also the price is below the EMA 50. So on daily we are looking for re-entry after the momentum. We got the momentum on H4 time frame. You can clearly see here at this point we got the momentum. Now the market is going to make a bullish move. Okay, so from here the market can reach to the MA 510 high. At this point we can find out our re-entry areas. So this is our re-entry sell area. We need confirmation on H4 time frame, so it must be on top PV. On H1 we need extreme plus MLB. so we can get our entry after the confirmation. Now the thing is, you need to, the number second point is, you need to spot out the EMA 50, that where is EMA 50 and what's the position of EMA 50. So it's clear now the EMA 50 is above the market price. So we second confirmation is done. We can move to the third one. We need to check the Bollinger Band expansion. If the Bollinger Band is expanding, it means that our re-entry is valid. These are the protocols for your analysis. If you learn BBMA, so you need, and you don't know how to analyze the market with the help of BBMA, so you must need to watch this video. In this video you will learn the tricks about the BBMA analysis. First you need to find out the CSM, then you need to focus the EMA 50, and the third one is you need to focus on the Bollinger Band expansion. Now every part of this, every step is important in this method, because EMA 50 is belongs to trend, CSM is about the momentum, it's also related to trend direction, and also the EMA Bollinger Band expansion is related to related with trend. So in BBMA we always catch the re-entries in trend. So when the market have a bearish trend, so we catch the re-entry after the momentum on MA510 high. So we go with trend, and you know that the famous quotation about the trend is, so the trend is your friend. So you just need to make sure that your friend is on your side, so you don't need to make counter trends. If see in this scenario, many traders will make a buy trade here, okay, and they will wait for the to hit the MA510 high. It's okay, it's also a good method, but the smart traders don't put any counter trades against the trend, so you don't need to put counter trade. You just need to wait for the MA510 high on daily time frame. So follow these three steps and get the accuracy on the BBMA. And also if you're looking for the counter trades, so it's my suggestion is, my advice is to take a low risk, not a medium, not a high risk. So take a low risk and you can catch the counter trade setups as well. But I'm suggesting that go with trend only. Go with trend only. You will make money consistently. You will make money because sometimes you in counter trade you put high risk, you take high risk, and the market hit your stop loss, so you will lose your confidence on BBMA. So don't lose the confidence. Follow these three steps. After, if you already learned the BBMA, then you can, and you don't know about the market analysis, that how you can analyze the market with BBMA. So this is, in this video I'm expecting and I'm hoping that your confusion is cleared now and you can analyze the market. If you are new to our channel and first time you are watching our channel, so must hit like on this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for further lesson. Thank you for watching the video.